This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying access to your domain registrar and opening Shopify's domains panel. Once done, you'll copy Shopify's required DNS values, a record pointing to the Shopify IP and the www CNAME to shops. Shopify.com. Make sure to leave TTL at default or low for faster propagation. Now, switch to your registrar's DNS editor and prepare to add those two records. This step writes where web traffic should go and is critical for ownership verification and proper routing. You'll add in a record for the root domain pointing to Shopify's IP and a CNAME for the www subdomain to shops. Shopify.com. Be precise. Remove any conflicting or CNAME entries and avoid adding extra prefixes. Once you save, check that domain forwarding or parking features are disabled, since they can override DNS. If your registrar shows propagation status, monitor it. And remember, propagation can take minutes to hours. Meanwhile, keep Shopify's domains page open to verify the connection. After records are saved, return to Shopify and click Verify to confirm ownership. Then set the connected domain as primary if you want it to show in URLs. Once verified, allow up to 48 hours for full global propagation, though often it's faster. If verification fails, clear your local DNS cache, use a DNS lookup to confirm records match Shopify's requirements, and make sure there are no duplicate or conflicting entries. If problems persist, contact your registrar with the exact record names and values for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.